In this video, I'll show you how to check the ping of your Windows 11 computer. So checking your ping is a great way to measure your internet connection's performance, especially if you're using your computer for things like online gaming. So to go and check this, there's two different ways to do it. The first method is by opening up your start menu, searching for CMD, and then just right-clicking on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now from this window, you need to type in the word ping space. And what we're going to do is type in the website google.com, and you can essentially ping any website or any IP address here. We're just going to be using Google as kind of the standard benchmark, and then we're going to type in space dash and then the letter T. You can then go and press enter on your keyboard, and basically what's happening now is it's going to continue to produce the time it takes to reach the Google server. So at the moment, mine's kind of sitting around 20 milliseconds, and what we're really looking for here, more so than the number, is just the consistency of the ping. So if your ping's constantly changing from something like 20 to 70 to 50, then that's typically not a very good sign that you have a stable internet connection. And if you are doing something like online gaming, you may experience some kind of lag or some kind of network issue when you're gaming. Now, the second method to go and check this is by opening up an internet browser. We can then head over to a search engine and type in check my ping and press enter. Now scroll down to bandwidthplace.com and click on this website. You can then scroll down and click on begin test. Now this is going to test your download speed, upload speed, and also ping. And what's really useful about this tool is it's going to give you benchmarks of kind of the numbers you should be expecting. So you can see here it says under 20 milliseconds. This is typically excellent ping, and this means you're probably going to get good connection when you're gaming. Anything between 50 to 100 milliseconds, this is more on the average side of things, and anything above 100 is typically going to be poor, and you're probably going to experience some kind of lag. So you can see my ping here is 13 milliseconds, so this is really good. And that's basically how you go and check your ping on your computer. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.